Hello everyone, I'm Avinash. I'm back with few more jobs and internship updates. So if you are new to this channel, then please do subscribe for regular updates related to jobs and internships. Also, please don't forget to turn on the bell icon so that you don't miss an update. So let's start. First update. Optum is hiring software engineer for .NET role. Location is Bangalore and you must have undergraduate degree or equivalent experience, good experience on .NET Core, Angular, CSS, Web API, Intuitive Framework, and SQL. Freshers to earlier batch can apply. Second update is from Barclays. Barclays is hiring developer for location is Pune, Maharashtra, and graduation is you must have engineering or MCA or equivalent degree. Freshers to earlier batches can apply. Third update is from AWS Cloud Developer from IBM, and you must have these required technical and professional expertise, strong knowledge on Java, Spring Boot, Shell scripting, Node.js, strong knowledge on DevOps and containerization. So if you are eligible, then go and apply. Fourth update is from PayPal. PayPal is hiring for global technical support engineer. First location is Bangalore and Chennai. These are the roles and responsibilities and technical requirements: bachelor's degree or foreign equivalent in management for information system, computer science, software engineering, or closely related quantitative discipline. 1 year experience in web development in one of the following: JavaScript, C++, and so on. So 22 earlier batches can apply for this role. Starting with the internship updates, Upstox is hiring for software development engineer. Locations Bangalore and Mumbai. Fill out these details. Don't forget to add these links. Also, please add cover letter. Cover letter is something that define more about your background, like education, experience, skills, and the role you are applying for. I have attached cover letter. You can use this. Okay. And second internship is from IBM. IBM is hiring for software developer intern. These are roles and responsibilities, and these are the required and professional expertise: core Java, Unix scripting, Bash shell, and so on. So go and apply. Third update is from Intel. Intel is hiring for graduate software engineering intern. It's fully remote. Location is United States. For this role, you must have these minimum qualification. You must be pursuing a master's or PhDs of science degree in computers engineering. Okay, and it will be 6 to 1 year internship. So go and apply if you are eligible. And last update is from Nvidia. It's hiring for machine learning intern or MLOps. Location is United States, California, and for this location it's remote. And these are the required skills that you must have: pursuing a BS, MS, PhD in computer science, computer engineering, electrical engineering, strong Python programming skill, technical background in AI, ML, deep learning. So all the links will be in the description. Before applying, I have attached some good resume templates. Go download it and edit it. And if you don't have any experience, for that I have also attached some virtual internships that you can do from top companies. These will add value to you in your resume. So go and do it. You can finish this internship of different domain like data analytics, software engineering, data science in one day. So go do it and add in your resume. It's better to have nothing to have something in your resume. All the links will be in the description. Go and apply, and follow our LinkedIn page for more regular updates related to jobs and internships. And if you have any further doubt, then I have attached a Google form link in the description. Go and ask your doubts. I will solve your queries. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and share it with your friends. Thank you.